YouTube, this is Andrea here and welcome back. We are finishing up that last bag we did and I went on ahead and untangled all the jewelry and I found some goodies. I'm so excited. So let's get started with the first goodie I found. This is a lapel pin tie tack and it's the letter J. Let's see there. And it's 14 karat gold. But I didn't find the backing to it. But there's where it's marked. There's also a word on there. I think it's Anson or yeah, Anson, A-N-S-O-N. Anson 14K. So I was stoked about that. Yay. Then I found a sterling silver necklace. It's just a necklace with no charm. Nice. Oop. And then this is a sterling silver necklace, but the locket is not marked sterling silver. So I'm thinking the locket might be stainless steel. It's one of those life lockets. And I think there's a missing piece here, because you're supposed to be able to put water in here and then the charms. But the chain is sterling, so I'll take the locket off of the chain. There. And I'll put the locket in the craft bag, since the back is missing. And that was it for sterling and gold. So let's get back down to the chains and the necklaces. This is a nice Figaro chain, and it's for holding a badge. That's nice. This is a cute owl necklace. He's so adorable. Pretty blue eyes. Then this, it looks handmade. It's all turquoise beads and some onyx chip beads on a rope. So that's cute. Nicely done. This is a very pretty cross charm with rhinestones. I love the flowers at each station here. Here's the back. So pretty. I love that. Then I found another really interesting pen. This thing is so big and heavy. And it's for like a tie tack pen. It's just huge. And it's a shell. Very cute. Then we have a ram, or not a ram, a buck necklace. This is different. On a very long chain. This pretty little tiger's eye. And it's stamped on the tag NY. This one is a really long necklace. It's also 2-strand. It's got turquoise beads. They're not real turquoise, they're just glass. On a gold tone chain. It's nice. Nice, nice. And then I found this necklace, which matches the earrings that we had found. And they are going to be sold as a set. Very pretty. I love it, especially for the summertime. This is really pretty. This is a piece of wood. And then these are plastic beads. And it's a short necklace. And we have a shell necklace with glass pearls. no markings. This one is really heavy. It was really stuck to a lot of necklaces. These are all glass beads, and it's so heavy. It's pretty though. I think it would be perfect for like brunch, if you're having brunch. Or maybe if you work in a in Honolulu. I don't know. It's 3 different strands of blue glass beads. And then there's your, every bag has one of these. They're pawa shells. These are paper beads. Someone did a good job making that necklace. Here is a longhorn. On the back it says Life Tiles by Windcraft. That's cute. Here's a beaded necklace. A little cheetah print on the big beads. This one is gorgeous. It's a beautiful statement necklace. I love it. I love the orange in here. There we go. It's beautiful. This is a nice necklace. It has, it's silver tone, and it has glass pearls with some crystals. It's very long, perfect for a black shirt or a white shirt. This one someone made, and I think they did a fantastic job. This is gorgeous. Look at the beads, the coloring. It's just beautiful. The beadwork is gorgeous. Then we have a nice gold tone necklace. Very long. And then a shell necklace. Also very long. This is on rope. We have this beautiful gold tone necklace. I love this with the little tassel on there. With the moonstones. I love it. We did find this charm, which I think is really pretty. I don't know what kind of chain it went to, but I'm sure someone will find a beautiful chain for that. Then I found this ring. I think it's brass. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little crystals in there. Here we go. There's no markings on it, but it looks and feels like brass. Very dainty. Pretty. Another necklace. This one is really pretty. I love how they put the cage on the back and then the stone on the top. It's so pretty. So that when it's turned over, it still looks good wearing it either way. I love that. And then we have this is a book charm necklace. It's not marked, but it is so cute. It has this little flower hanging off of it. It says here, a circle is round. There we go. Circle is round. it has no end. That is how long I will be your friend. How cute is that? Took me forever to read it, right? That's cute. I love that. I love it, love it. This is cute. It looks like little bullets, like half of a bullet. But I love the rhinestones that are in each one. And it's in really good condition. It's gold tone, so that makes it worth hanging on to and seeing what we can do with it. Here's a chain. It's just a plain chain. It's no marks and no charm on it. Let's see, we got this mesh necklace. That's pretty. I love the seafoam green crystals on here, or faux crystals. I think they're beautiful. And it's gunmetal coloring. Very, very pretty. Kind of heavy though. Kind of heavy. This is different. It's a big crystal. And it's either glass or crystal. I think it's glass. Nice long chain on here. And then it has a crystal dangle up by the closure. Very pretty. Purdy, purdy. This one's also different. It has this down here says faith, and then it has a cross up here in this section. No names are on here, no tags. And it's made to look like it's got that green old style look to it. But this is gorgeous. I love, love, love the color of this. Looks like huge opals. Very pretty. Pretty statement necklace. Here's another one. This is all matte gold tone seed beads. Nice choker. So another statement necklace. Pretty. These are like a milky gold. Nice. Then we have this here, which I'm sure was cute at one point with something maybe hung off of it. It's blue and gold, or maybe it's for like a school colors. It's different. It's just, it's different. Then we have this gorgeous pearl necklace with a gold tone heart. No markings, but very pretty. Nice dainty piece to put in your jewelry box. And then this statement piece here. It's not overly gaudy. I love how it's simple with the squares. It's beautiful, and I love the color. The peach and the orange. Oh God. Okay, our two last pieces. Pearls. These are glass pearls, it feels like anyway. They're oblong, different shaped. So they did a good job making it seem like they are real. Nice clasp on here. There we go. No markings, but very, very pretty, well made. And then here's another one. Half pearls, half silver tone chain. Let's see. This says Mary Kay on it. And that's our last piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.